Welcome. Today we're going to show how to create a graph in Google Sheets. I have a sheet already open here ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is simply add the data. This data, it was collected in my Math at Work 11 class, and so I'll type this in here, favorite color, and the number of people who felt it was their favorite color. And we had the obvious choices: blue, black, purple, green, and red. The number of people were 5, 8, 3, 8, 7. Now that we have all of our data in, we can create our chart. You can do one of two things. You can either click on the Insert button here, or use the icon here, Insert Chart. You do have to be in the C1 block, the next block over, to the best of our ability, if you're using this chart button. So Insert, and the first choice it gives you is bar graph. So we can either accept that as is by clicking on Insert, or if we don't like that one, hit Delete, Insert, and we can choose to go with, say, a pie chart. Again, Insert, and there it is. The other way that students were successful in creating their charts was to highlight the data. This allowed them to have more than one set of data on the sheet and still get several charts. For example, I'll delete this. I'll come over here and highlight the data. Hit undo. Didn't want to copy it all. This might not work with the menu. There, I think I have the data highlighted. Chart. And again, it has chosen the bar graph for me, but this time I think we will select a different type of bar graph, and it has inserted it as well. So now I can just move it around to where I want, and there I am, set to go. To use this chart in another presentation, for example, in a Google slide, simply Control-C to copy, or click on the little down arrow that you can see on the top of the chart and copy chart, and then you can go into your drive and find a Google slide, open a blank, and this one just came up by default. You may want just a blank or something like this. And I can Control-V, and there comes my table. And I can move it around, I can resize it, I can do whatever I need to do. There's using Google Charts and adding it to a slide. Hope this helps.